विसावा उपरांत परतून तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. शुक्रारा कळंगूटच्या सरपंच पदार शॉन मार्टिन्स हांची बिनविरोध निवड जाली. 11 वांगड्यां मदले 8 वांगडी वेंचणुकेक हजर आशिल्ले. RDX गोवा खातीर कळंगूटच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
I was appointed the presiding officer from notice from order from Director of Panchayat. The election was held today for the post of Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Kalangut. Out of 11 members, 8 members were present for the proceedings. Further, Sean Martins was elected unopposed as the Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Kalangut.
Anthony Menezes, who has been our guide, is very senior to us, and he has put a very strong foundation. Initial first year which he did, he laid the foundation and he's passed on the baton to me, to our old panchayat, the ex members that are there. See, we are all given a time to work, like 5 years to work. Today it's our time, tomorrow it's someone else's time. So let's put our differences aside, whatever differences we may have, and work together by putting Kalangut first. Let Kalangut be the only motive to do work and betterment of Kalangut. Let that be our first priority. At the moment, main priority is electricity. A lot of problems are being faced. So our panchayat has been working with the MLA to get that new pipeline, the new cable to be laid from Porvorim to Saligaon. So we are following up on that. Water problems, there's a new tank coming in Umtawada. So a lot of follow-up work that needs to be done. Also, we have put a lot of structures of people have been put in the PDA map, in the ODP map. A lot of our local 1,500 structures have been put. So after the process is over, we need to regularize those houses as we promised in our manifesto. So there are a lot of works lined up. We have a manifesto, we have a direction, and in 5 years' time we will deliver on whatever promises we have promised to the people.
Yes.